Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Google as your map preview provider on Telegram. This is a quick update that helps improve how location links appear and open, especially if you prefer Google Maps over other options. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram account. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section mainly handles permissions and data preferences, but it also includes a few useful features related to how content is displayed. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Map Preview Provider. It might be a bit further down, so take your time to locate it. Once you tap on Map Preview Provider, you'll see available options for map services. Here, simply choose Google. That's it. From now on, whenever you view or share locations in Telegram, the previews and links will use Google Maps instead of the default provider. This change can make a big difference if you're already used to Google Maps for navigation, saved places, or directions. It creates a more consistent experience across your apps and can save you time when opening locations. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your settings regularly, as Telegram often adds new features and options that can improve your experience.